The AOSU 4-Cam Security Kit promises complete home protection without subscription fees, and right out of the box, it looks like a premium system built for long-term reliability. Each camera is solar-powered, meaning you can install them once and forget about charging. Even in cloudy weather, the built-in panels keep power levels steady and reliable all year. The standout feature is the full 360-degree pan and tilt capability. Unlike fixed cameras, AOSU actively rotates to follow movement, giving you full coverage with zero blind spots. Auto tracking works surprisingly well. When the camera detects motion, it instantly locks onto the subject and follows it smoothly, recording every angle. The 2K resolution adds tremendous detail. Whether it's a person walking at night or a vehicle at the end of your driveway, the clarity is much higher than standard 1080p systems. Color night vision is another big win. Instead of grainy black and white footage, you get bright, realistic nighttime images thanks to the built-in spotlight. Setup is incredibly simple. You just mount the camera, connect to your 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and the AOSU app guides you the rest of the way. No wiring, no drilling hassles. Inside the app, you can check live feeds, control pan and tilt, customize alerts, and adjust detection zones. Everything feels smooth and user-friendly. No subscription requirement is a huge bonus, especially compared to competitors that lock essential features behind monthly payments. With AOSU, you own your security with no recurring cost. If you want a smart, solar-powered, full-coverage security solution that's easy to install and packed with premium features, the AOSU 4-Cam Kit is absolutely worth considering for your home in 2025.